Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. In today's video, I will be making some delicious hot Cheetos mozzarella sticks. This is a very quick and easy recipe, guys. But before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright you guys, so this recipe does not require many ingredients at all, so I have my string cheese and my hot Cheetos here. I'm going to start by popping my string cheese right into the freezer for about a good 20 to 30 minutes to allow it to firm up. So while my cheese is freezing, I'm going to work on my little breading station. So I have some flour. I'm going to lightly season that, and you can use whatever seasons you want to season it. So I have some Tony's, the no salt kind, some lemon pepper seasoning, and some Montreal steak seasoning. So now I'm going to use my blender to crush up my Cheetos. That way I can get it nice and finely crushed like I want. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and got my cheese out of the freezer, and I'm just unwrapping those. If you want to save yourself some time, you can go ahead and do this step in the beginning. So I also cracked me 2 eggs off camera, and I have my flour and my hot Cheetos set up already ready to bread. Alright, so for the order, I'm going to bread it in. We're going to go into the egg first, then into the flour, back into the egg, and then into the hot Cheetos. So egg, flour, egg, hot Cheetos. Alright, so I got them all breaded. I'm going to refrigerate them for at least 15 minutes. This is just to ensure that the breading does not fall off while we're frying them, right? So I got my vegetable oil. You can also use canola oil. You want to put your heat on a medium to a medium-low heat. And we're going to fry them for about 30 seconds. And you'll see me just rotating them just to make sure they get evenly fried. Guys, I got them all fried up. I just sprinkled on a little chili powder for an extra added kick. I will say that grease really knocks a lot of that heat off from the hot Cheetos, so you really can't taste too much of the spice from it. Now I just served them out with some ranch. They were so good, y'all. They are a great appetizer or just for a snack. You guys will love them. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Make sure you share this video with everyone you know. Follow me on all social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.